everybody, welcome back. Lovely to see you all again.
Morning. So it's really early this morning. I'm down here at Red River. I think it's about 6:30, something like that. We've been out and about for quite a while, but I forgot to film this part, so we're down here early and just looking around. I've got my trusty camera with me and Diesel, and we just have a look, see what nature that we can capture this morning while it's nice and early. I got some nice pictures yesterday of some bugs and things, so another day. And yeah, the ducks are up already anyway, so okay, talk to you soon. Funny thing is, when you're out and about like this, I find it's a little bit eerie as well. You know, it's very early and everything. Sorry, I've had to take my glasses off because I can't take pictures with my glasses on. So I'm just going to sit here quiet now. Just listen to the sounds. Can anybody tell me what kind of bird this is?
Love this next photo. It was so magical. You had to be there to see it. It was so beautiful, the light shining through the trees the way that it did. Absolutely magical. And then the reflection of the sky on the water, it was just outstanding this morning. Okay, so this isn't the dragonfly that I've been looking for all this time. This is a little one that there was two of them actually, and I did manage to get some close-ups, so quite nice. I love how his head moves. So sweet. Same again with the little ladybird. Quite hard to focus in on at first, but then I was able to get quite close. I could see him moving around underneath. So busy. So getting some shots, getting at some awkward angles. Looks quite funny on the photographs now when I look back. But Diesel was here and he wasn't that bothered about the ducks this time. I was quite pleased with that. Normally he gives them a bit of a chase, but he seemed to know it was early, and you know, it just shows that he knows that it's a game. there's any of the photographs that anybody would like, just help yourself, you know, nice reference photos. I tried to take them as clear as I could for this reason. So I thought it would be nice for you to save or to stop the video, and so that you can have a look. So help yourself. So back home now, quick coffee, and then up into the studio. So first of all, I put down some masking fluid, just in a bit of a white shape of the shape of the thing that I was going to paint, and then I've painted over it with watercolour. Slowly changing colours, and what I'm doing is I'm flipping my brush over. I've picked quite a wide brush. It was about an inch wide brush, and then once it had all sort of amalgamated into each other, I dried it with the hairdryer, and then gradually I took off the spirit gum by rubbing with my finger gently towards the centre from the outside of the painting inwards, which made it so that if the paper does happen to rip, then it's not going to ruin your painting completely. You know, you can actually still salvage some of it. So once I'd done that, and I'd done a few speckles here and there as well, I then placed them, just peeled it all off, and then just wiped it all off, and then started to I stuck it back down quick, and then started to add some colour. I had to sort of do this from my mind really, because I didn't have a reference picture. I just had to try and remember what it looked like, because I was using my phone to film this, so it wasn't an easy task. And so I just brought it to get the tubular shape, just like I do when I do my circles. It's darker on the outside and then bringing them in. And then I did a lighter colour on the top, just to give it like as though it was on top of the fence post, which it was as it landed. And then I managed to put some shadowing on the bottom of that, because obviously where the dragonfly would be placed, there would be a shape underneath it of the shadow, so otherwise it would look like it's floating in the air. Next, I peeled off the tape, and then it was just a really simple little painting. I did a few speckles, brush flicking just off the end of the wings, just to give it look like a little bit of movement. But yeah, I quite enjoyed it, and just popped a little frame over the top. You know me, it will probably just go in my sketchbook. But it was great fun, a nice ending to a perfect day really. I know it's not an amazing painting, but it's in my style and in the way that I do it, and the way that I enjoyed it. Okay, I hope you like the video. Bye.